Hello, my dear students. Welcome to mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, we are doing Unit 10 mensuration of your NCERT book. And till now, I explained you about the geometrical figures, about the parameter of the various polygons, about the parameter of a rectangle, a square, etc. And till now, in the previous video, we have done first 8 questions of 10.1 exercise. Now, in this video, let us move on to question number 9 onwards. So, let's see what is question number 9. Now, question number 9 of your NCERT book 10.1 exercise is find the side of the square whose perimeter is given to us. Now, this time we need to find out the side. In the previous questions, we had find out the perimeter, but this time the side we need to find out. Here is a square whose side we need to find out and its perimeter is given to us. So dear students, always start the question from the given part. So if the given part is perimeter, we'll start with the perimeter, but we need to find out the side. So let us take let the side of the square is, let the length 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 of side of square is equal to x units, right? First of all, let us assume this. Now, according to the question, this is according to the question, what is given to us? Perimeter of square is given to us and that is equal to 20 meter. That is equal to 20 meter, right? So whatever is given to us, we will use that. If perimeter of square is given to us, we will use the formula for perimeter of square. What is the perimeter of square? It is 4 into side, or we can take x plus x plus x plus x. So we will take 4 into side is equal to 20 meter. So because you can see the 4 is getting multiplied by the side. So when you change the side, so when it goes to other side, when we cross multiply it, because it is in multiplication, it goes in the division. So side is equal to 20 divided by 4. And the side will become 4 ones are 4 and 5s are 25, means 5 meter. So the side of the square will be 5 meter. Must write the answer. So answer is side of square is 5 meter. Similarly, let us do question number 10. The perimeter of a question number 10 is the perimeter of a rectangular pentagon is 100 centimeter. How long is its each side? So they asked us the side. So let the side of the pentagon is x centimeter. And in the as we have done the 9th question, perimeter is given to us. So we will start with perimeter. So here is a regular pentagon. Dear students, a pentagon means a 5-sided figure, and as it is regular, that means all the sides are equal. So let each side of the regular pentagon is equal to x centimeter. And according to the question, perimeter of pentagon is given to us as 100 centimeter. So because it is regular, like in case of square, all the 4 sides are equal. So we have taken 4 into side. Here all 5 sides are equal. So we can take 5 into side as the perimeter, right? In this way. Or we can do x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 100. So from here also we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x. So we can do it directly in this way. So 5 into x is equal to 100 centimeter. So x is equal to, it is getting multiplied. When it goes to other side, it will goes in the division. So by dividing this, you will get 20 centimeter as the side of the regular pentagon. Therefore, side of regular pentagon is 20 centimeter. So I hope the question is clear to you. It is exactly similar to question number 9. Now dear students, question number 11. A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. String means कोई भी रस्सी हो सकती है, कोई भी तार हो सकती है. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square? Means we are using the string. हम उसे मोड़कर, तार को मोड़कर हम स्केयर बना रहे हैं. तो कितना, क्या साइड होगी, लेंथ क्या होगी साइड की स्केयर की. इफ़ वी आर मेकिंग यूजिंग दिस स्ट्रिंग टू मेक एन इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल, तार को मोड़कर हमने क्या बना दिया, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. ये तार को मोल्ड करके हमने क्या बना दिया, रेगुलर हेक्सागन. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द square side of the square formed using the string, equilateral side and regular hexagon side. So dear students, question is exactly same. We have a string. ये रही हमारे पास एक string है जो तार है 30 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग है. जब हमने इसे फोल्ड किया फर्स्ट केस में इसका हमने स्केयर बना दिया. इन सेकेंड केस वी मेड एन इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. इन थर्ड केस वी मेड अ रेगुलर हेक्सागन. मीन्स ऑल द थ्री शेप्स बाय मेकिंग इट. एंड तो क्या साइड होगी, क्या लेंथ होगी अगर हम स्केयर बनाते हैं, कितनी लेंथ वाला एक साइड, कितनी साइड वाला एक स्केयर बनेगा, कितनी साइड वाला ट्राइंगल, कितने साइड वाला रेगुलर हेक्सागन. सो लेट अस सी. टू फॉर्म अ स्केयर लेट द साइड ऑफ द स्केयर बी x सेंटीमीटर. नाउ हम जो स्ट्रिंग है वो हम कहाँ यूज़ कर रहे हैं, वी आर यूजिंग इट इन द पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्केयर. पैरीमीटर में कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स पैरीमीटर ऑफ स्केयर मस्ट बी द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग, क्योंकि ये पूरी की पूरी स्ट्रिंग हम बाउंड्री पर लगा रहे हैं. तो जितनी इसकी लेंथ है वही हमारा पैरीमीटर होगा. सो नाउ द लेंथ टोटल गिवन ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग इज 30 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी विल टेक 30 एंड पैरीमीटर ऑफ स्केयर इज 4 into side. Right? So let us find out. So from here we will get side is equal to 30 divided by 4 centimeter. So side of the sphere will be 30 divided by 4, that is 7.5 centimeter long is the side of the sphere. Right? This is the case of sphere. Now in second case, in the same way we will, when we have to form an equilateral triangle, right? तो equilateral triangle के लिए भी हम same method use करेंगे. Again the perimeter, again same line, the perimeter of the sphere, perimeter. अब जो वायर है हम वो किस में यूज़ कर रहे हैं, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल में. सो द पेरीमीटर ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल मस्ट बी टेकन इक्वल टू टोटल लेंथ ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. वाई? क्योंकि पूरी की पूरी तार हम इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल की शेप में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. सो नाउ बिकॉज ऑल द थ्री साइड्स आर इक्वल, सो वी कैन फॉर्म अ फॉर्मूला इज 3 into साइड. स्केयर की 4 साइड हैं तो 4 into साइड एंड 3 equal sides are there, so 3 into side 30 centimeter. So from here you will get the side of the sphere as 30 divided by 3, that is 10 centimeter will be the side of the equilateral triangle, right? Similarly, dear students, if you want to form a regular hexagon, you will follow the same method to form a regular hexagon. So what we will do, we will take perimeter of regular hexagon must be equal to the total length of string, right? So because it is a regular hexagon, hexagon has 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6, all the 6 sides are equal. So the formula for this will be 6 into side. इसका formula ये बन जाएगा and total length of the string will remain same 30 centimeter. So now from here by cross multiplication 30 will goes in the denominator and the side of the string will be 5 centimeter. So the complete question is just similar. You need to find out the side of the particular shape around which we use the string to make the figures. to make the shapes, right? So I hope it is clear to you. So try further questions, dear students, yourself once. So thank you for now.